Hello traders, welcome to SammybrainFx. So here is another trade on Jump 75 index. Alright, so now let's move on. So looking at the chart before us, so we have seen on our 4 hours time frame, see prices have been moving upwards. So looking at the trade starting from here, so we saw now okay, it was in the downtrend first of all, so price made this low. There was a break of structure here to the downside and then price retrace. Okay, we have this, we have this price book structure to the downside, and then there was this up and then this break of structure down. So price created this new low, and then so what did we see here? We saw that there was a break of structure here to the upside which caused this move. So how did we get the entry here? Okay, so now have a see what price has been doing. This is a 4 hours time frame, so we have this particular zone right here. So we have this break of structure, price broke structure to the upside. Now this zone actually caused that momentum. We actually started from this particular zone. Alright, so now but we actually waiting for price. We expected that price should come into or to tap into the zone. We expected price to come to tap into the zone before it goes up, but we didn't see that happen. So rather, what did we see? We saw price after these movements, it broke structure to the upside caused by this particular zone. So we have this zone right here. If we mark out this zone, I have this order block right here. So let's refine this. Let's go to our 2 hours time frame. So let's try to refine that zone further. So now coming down to our 2 hours time frame, this extreme zone we could have refine this down. There's nothing to refine here for 2 hours time frame. So let's go to our 1 hour time frame. Remember, we are reaching for we're always looking out for confirmation entry. Okay, so now coming down to a 1 hour time frame, there's nothing to refine here, but for here, let's see, we can refine this down to this. So this can be refined down to this. So no, not even that safe. There's also we can refine this down to these points. Yep. So we have this order block right here that caused this move that broke structure to the upside. So we have this break of structure here. So we have a break of structure there, right there. Sorry, we have a break of structure. Yeah. Break of structure. So we have a break of structure right here, and then this is the other block that caused the break of structure. Other block. Yeah, so we have another block right there. Yep. So after this break of structure to the upside, remember we have this extreme zone as well. So but we didn't see price react to this zone, but price reacted here. But how would we have got to this entry? So use our confirmation entry. So waited for price to tap in. So the moment price tap into the zone, so the next thing is to look out for confirmation entry right here. So now the confirmation entry could be on the 15-minute time frame, 10 minutes or 5-minute time frame. So let's go down to our 15-minute time frame. Let's see if we would have gotten any confirmation. Okay, so coming down to our 5-minute time frame. So our 15-minute time frame. Our 15-minute time frame, the entry here is not very clear, so let's go to our 10 minutes time frame. So coming down to our 10-minute time frame, so what did we see here? Is there any change of character? It's not very clear. Okay, but let's check the 5-minute time frame. So now coming down to our 5-minute time frame, so we see that it was so clear here. So we saw that there was a break of structure here to the upside. Okay, so price did this. So we have price coming in here, and then it didn't break structure there, and there was this retracement. So here acted as an inducement. So price broke structure here, and then it came back, induced this place, took out here's this lowest liquidity, tap into this zone, and then it went on. Okay, so that's a confirmation entry. So this is a confirmation entry model where we have a break of structure, change of character, then price tapping into that our zone, and then before it goes up. So this is what we actually look at for a confirmation entry. Okay, which is exactly what we saw. Okay, the change of character, retracement to that zone. So that's what we'll have there. So we'll have this break of structure. This is that zone, this other block that caused that change. Is a change of character, the break of structure, and then here was taken out as inducement. Price tap into that a little other block, and then it went. So this would have been our clear long here, and then a stop loss below, and then of course. So the next thing would be our exit. So let's go back to 1 hour time frame. So it would have been an exit point. So exit point would have been, so this is the range of the market, broke structure to the upside. So here would have been our exit points. It's single high. So this is where we would have exited the trade. Yep, of course the price still went up. So we would have exited the trade here. So this is how we would have gotten that perfect confirmation entry. Okay, and then so currently if you go to our daily time frame, let's see what job 75 has been doing. If we come to our daily time frame, this thing is slow. So coming down to our daily time frame, we see that there is this zone where which price actually reacted. So price is actually reacting in this on this particular zone. So there's a reaction right here. So if we come down to 8 hours, so wow, see price has reacted in that particular zone. Big reaction there. We see this weak big rejection there. So if we come down to our 4 hours time frame, so coming down to 4 hours time frame, so what do we have? We can refine this zone further to that particular place. So let's come down to our 2 hours to see if we can refine further. Come to our 2 hours, nothing to refine. Lastly, let's check our 1 hour. So for 1 hour, there is nothing to refine. So that zone is there. So price has tapped into this zone. And then we have seen that after price tap into this zone, we have seen that there's a break of structure. Let's go to a 15-minute time frame. So let's see, can actually have an entry here. So this is the 15 minutes. So price has tapped into this hour zone. So and then we have seen that there is a break of structure here. This is the break of structure here. We have this. So price broke this full body candle close below, and this and this. So you're waiting for price to come in and react to this zone that caused that break and then sell. So that's the confirmation we are waiting for. So we can now have here, can now mark out this zone right here. Now mark out that zone. Okay, and this will be our shorts. And then this is what we're looking out for right here on jump 75 index. So that is what we are looking out for. So that's that for that, guys. So till we see you in our next video, bye for now. Ensure you just keep watching the trade with us. All right, bye.